Great to have you here. In this video, we'll cover how to create a Binance account. We'll also go through how to deposit funds and trade futures. I'll keep each step clear and easy to follow. Signing up through the link below this video gives you a lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, and also provides various rewards for new users. For that reason, I recommend registering through the link below the video. In the first section, we'll go over how to sign up for Binance. Access Binance through the link below the video. This will take you to the official Binance registration page. Take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see the lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with various rewards for new users already applied. Now, we'll create a new account. Enter either your email address or mobile number. Next, check the agreement box below. Then click the register button. A verification code will be sent to the email or mobile number you provided. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. After that, create your password. Your password needs to contain at least 8 characters, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Make sure to create a secure and complex password. After all required information has been entered, you'll see a screen confirming that the benefits are active. If you accessed Binance without using the video link, you'll be directed to the inviter code entry page. Because the inviter code cannot be entered after registration is complete, make sure you add it during this step. Click the Yes button shown on the screen. When the referral ID field becomes visible, enter Sky333. Registering this way gives you a lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, as well as various rewards for new users. Once you've finished all of these steps, your Binance registration is complete. Next, let's look at how to complete KYC verification. To use features such as deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance, you'll need to complete KYC verification before accessing the platform's various functions. Once your account has been created, you'll automatically be redirected to the KYC verification page. Select your residence. Next, choose the identification document you will use for verification. From the document type options displayed below, choose one valid identification document. For this video, we'll use passport. Once you've selected it, check all of the agreements below. Then click the Continue button. A QR code for KYC verification will appear on the screen. Scan the QR code using your phone. The KYC verification link will then open. Tap Start Scanning. The camera scanning screen will then appear. Place the information page of your passport inside the guide frame. Take a clear photo while avoiding any light reflection. Facial verification will begin as soon as the photo is captured. Position your face in the center of the frame. Follow the on-screen instructions by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. After you've completed every verification step, your KYC verification request will be submitted automatically. The KYC review normally takes around 1 hour. Once your verification has been approved, your KYC verification is complete. Next, let's look at how to set up secondary security settings. To keep your Binance account better protected, I recommend setting up two-factor security in advance. Click the profile icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Next, select Account from the menu on the left. Then choose Security from the options below. You'll now see several available two-factor security methods. Most users choose the Authenticator app, because it offers a high level of security. Click the Manage button next to Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will be sent to your registered email or mobile number. Enter the code you received to complete this verification. The Authenticator link pop-up will then appear. Now search for Google Authenticator on your mobile device and install it. Once it's installed, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button in the lower right corner of the app. Then select Scan a QR code. When the camera scanner opens, scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Your Binance account will then be added to the Google Authenticator app and a 6-digit code will be generated. Because this code changes roughly once every minute, make sure you check the current code carefully. Now return to your PC and click the Next button below. When the Authenticator app code field appears, enter the 6-digit code shown in the Google Authenticator app. This will activate the Google Authenticator app and complete the two-factor security setup for your Binance account. Secondly, let's look at how to deposit on Binance. There are several ways to deposit cryptocurrency into Binance, but in today's video, we'll look at the on-chain deposit method. Hover your mouse over the wallet icon at the top right of the home screen. Then various types of wallets will appear below. A spot is a wallet used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. On the other hand, Futures is a wallet used for futures trading. Since you need to deposit coins first now, please click Spot. Next, click Deposit at the upper right. Please select Deposit Crypto as the payment method. Then select the coin you want to deposit, because it generally has low fees and fast transfer speeds. USDT is one of the most widely used options. Next, please select the network. Usually, the fees are low and the transfers are relatively fast, so TRX is used a lot. A deposit address for the selected coin will be generated. Please copy the coin deposit address displayed on the screen. Now, move to another exchange where you hold the coin. We use Coinbase or Kraken a lot, for example. Hover your mouse over the Assets menu on the respective exchange, and click Funding or Spot. Next, please click Withdraw at the top right. Select the coin you want to withdraw. The coin to be withdrawn must be exactly the same as the coin selected on Binance. Then select the chain type. The chain type must match the chain you selected on Binance. Next, you'll need to enter the wallet address. Paste the coin deposit address you copied from Binance earlier. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. After that, click the Confirm button. After a short period, the coins will arrive in your Binance Spot wallet and the deposit will be complete. Third, we'll go over how to trade futures on Binance. Before you begin futures trading on Binance, you'll need to move the coins currently held in your Spot wallet into your futures wallet. Go to your Spot wallet. Then click Transfer in the upper right corner. Set the transfer direction from Fiat and Spot to USD and Futures. Next, select the coin you want to transfer. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Once everything is configured, click Confirm. The coins will be moved to your Futures wallet shortly. Now, to begin futures trading, hover your mouse over Futures in the top menu. Then click USDM Futures from the menu below. You'll be taken to the Futures trading page. Click the Coin Selection button in the upper left corner. A list of coins available for trading will appear. On the order panel located on the right, you can adjust the detailed settings for futures trading. First, click this button to choose the margin mode. Cross creates a position using the entire available margin collateral. On the other hand, Isolated creates a position using only part of the margin collateral. For beginners, I recommend Isolated because it makes risk management relatively easier. Click the button next to it to adjust your leverage. Leverage can be set as high as 150x. However, increasing leverage can raise your potential profit, but it also increases the risk of losses and liquidation. Beginners are advised to start with lower leverage. In this area, you can choose the order type. Limit lets you place an order at a price you choose. Market executes your order immediately at the current market price. Below that, you'll see your available margin. This is where you can set the order price and quantity. Finally, use this button to choose the direction of your position. Select Buy Long if you expect the coin price to rise. Choose Sell Short if you expect the coin price to fall. Once you've chosen the position direction, the order will be executed shortly. Click the Positions tab below to view the current status of your open position. Entry price is the price where you initially entered the position. Mark price displays the current market price. Leak price refers to the price at which forced liquidation occurs. If the price reaches this level, your position will be liquidated automatically, so keep a close eye on it. P&L shows the current profit and loss on your position. Click the pencil icon below TPSL for position, to set take profit and stop loss prices for risk management. Click the button below Market Close All to close your current position. Market closes the position immediately at the current market price. Limit closes the position at the price you specify. Once you've chosen how to close the position will be closed shortly. In this video, we went through how to sign up for Binance, as well as how to make a deposit and trade futures in a simple way. If you run into any difficulties, or have questions while following the video, leave a comment and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thank you for watching until the end.